Welcome to class, everyone. Today we're just going to do a lot of gentle stretches, gentle movements that'll just make your body feel really good. So we're going to start laying on your stomach in half frog pose. So extend your left leg long. Just bring your hands like a pillow, or they can be extended. And then take your right knee so it's parallel to your hip, and then right ankle behind. And you don't need to be exactly parallel. If you're a little behind, a little forward, whatever feels comfortable. And then just begin to breathe. And allow your body to sink into the stretch. And then lengthen your right leg back. We'll switch sides. Bend your left leg. Take your knee parallel to your hip. Again, just somewhere in that range. And bring your ankle under your knee. And again, just breathe. Bring your chin back to center, extend your leg. Bring your legs together, tops of your feet into the mat. Take a couple rolling cobra poses. So hands next to your chest. Inhale, lift up, not forcing anything. Keep your neck nice and long. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift, just using the strength of your lower back. So little to no weight in your hands. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift and hold this time. Again, keep your neck long, so avoid looking up. Press the tops of your feet into your mat. Engage your quads. Exhale, lower left ear to the mat, hands by your sides. Come back to the center. We'll take that one more time. Inhale, lift, hold here, breathe here. Press the tops of your feet in. Lift and lengthen a little more. And then exhale, lower your other ear down, hands by your sides. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Press on up. Make your way to your back. Just getting some hamstring movement. Take your hands behind your thigh. Flex your toes as you glide your foot up. Point as you bring it down. Just kind of moving your leg. Awakening your hamstring. Bring your heel in line with your knee and take some ankle circles one direction. And then the other. And switch legs, lengthen your right leg. Bring your left knee on top of your hip. Flex your toes as you extend your feet. And point as you lower down. Exhale, lift, and inhale down. One more time. Come to parallel with your knee, ankle circles. And then take the other direction. Hug your knees in towards your chest. Make your way up to tabletop position. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Left knee, left hand stay there. Bring your right foot to the mat, right arm up for modified side plank. Inhale, rise up, gate pose. Stretch over to the right. And then take it back down to the mat. Tick-tock up again. And back down. Tabletop pose. Other side, right hand, right knee down. Modified side plank. Bring your left foot to the mat. Inhale, rise up, gate pose. Take your fingertips back down, reach over. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, hand down and reach. Inhale, back up. And tabletop pose. Walk your hands forward. Puppy dog pose. Keep your hips nice and high. You want to draw your chest towards the mat. Doesn't matter if it touches or not. Just kind of the position you want. Getting a stretch in your shoulders. Gently rock side to side. Come on up, tabletop pose. Inhale, press up, high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Pedal out your legs. Just alternate bending each one. And then settle into your down dog. Keep a slight bend in your legs. Inhale, gaze to the top of your mat. Exhale, forward fold. Bring your feet nice and wide. Deep bend in your legs, ragdoll pose. Let your head and neck be heavy. Just gently sway side to side. Come back to the center. Release your hands. Walk your feet to a comfortable distance. Inhale, halfway lift. Nice flat back, shoulder blades draw back and together. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Rise on up nice and tall. Exhale, tap your hands to your shoulders. Lean over to the side. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, other side. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Hinge from your hips. Point your tailbone towards the sky. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose. Rise on up. Exhale, side bend, hands tap shoulders. Inhale up. Exhale, other side. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, this time interlace your hands behind your back. Interlace your fingers, open your heart, chest expansion. Then exhale, bound, forward fold. Keep the bind. Keep a slight bend in your elbows as you draw your hands towards the ground. Release the grip. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. One more time. Exhale, tap shoulders and side bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, side bend, shoulder tap. Inhale it up. Exhale, interlace your hands, chest expansion, inhale. Exhale, bound, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. One more time. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step your left foot back, low lunge. Back knee down. Inhale, crescent lunge. Arms reach up to the sky. Carve your tailbone under. Exhale, crescent airplane arms. Feel free to stay here on your back knee or tuck your toes, lift your back leg. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, vertical twist. Inhale, exalted warrior. Exhale, low lunge. Back knee down, inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, half splits, flex your toes towards your shin. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, three-legged down dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Back knee down, inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, airplane arms, back knee can stay down. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, vertical twist, reach your left arm back. Inhale, exalted warrior, back hand to back thigh. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Exhale, down dog. We'll flow that one time, breath to movement. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, airplane arms. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, vertical twist. Inhale, exalted warrior, back hand, back thigh. Exhale, runner's lunge. Hands inside your foot. Walk your right foot up and out. Bring your back knee down. And just kind of find some movement, whatever feels good. Bring it down to your forearms if you'd like. Bring your hands back to the mat. Walk your right foot back into the center. Shift your hips, half splits. Think heart forward. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, three-legged down dog. Move your leg around. And then take it to the mat. Inhale, lift your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon, back knee down. Exhale, airplane. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, vertical twist. Inhale, exalted warrior. Exhale, runner's lunge. Hands inside your foot. Walk your left foot up and out. Take your back knee down. And bring it to wherever you'd like your forearms. Or maybe just kind of arms bent and resting. Find a little movement if that feels good to you. Hands come back to the mat, lift your heart. Walk your foot back to the center, half splits. Flex your toes towards your shin. Shift forward, low lunge. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Move your leg around. And then downward facing dog. Take your knees down to the mat. Extend your legs out in front of you, seated twist. Right leg is long, bring your left leg across. Left hand stays behind, lift through your chest and twist. And not really forcing anything with this right arm, just using the strength of your back. Lengthen through your spine and twist. Unravel to the center. Switch sides. Left leg long, right foot over. Right hand behind, lengthen and twist. Again, just using the strength of your back as you twist. Come back to the center. Lengthen your legs. Lower all the way to your back. Bring your knees wider than your rib cage. Happy baby pose. You can take your arms around your thighs, knees towards your armpits, or grab your feet if your head and tailbone can stay down. Just gently rock side to side. Bring your knees back into your chest. And we'll take just a gentle stretch. Let both knees fall to the left. Gaze to your right. Come back to the center. And switch sides. Knees to the right. And gaze left. Bring your knees back to your chest. One last squeeze. And then gently lower down, resting pose or shavasana. Just find a place that feels good to you. Legs can be bent or straight. Just really allow your body to be heavy. Sink into the mat. And see if you can relax just even more. Feel free to stay here as long as you wish. If you're ready to move on, gently begin to invite movement into your body. Just move your head side to side. Move your wrists, your ankles. Start to make the movements bigger. And then however you'd like to get there, just make your way to a comfortable seated position. Bring your hands into your heart center. Thank you for tuning into class today. Sharing of your energy. Thumbs come to third eye center. Bow forward, thanking your body. Namaste.